Hello, my dear subscribers and bank job aspirants. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel and welcome to the Hindu Vocab Show Day 2. Before getting into the show, I have two announcements to make. They are, as you know, the first one is please do share this channel to as many job aspirants as you know, and the second one is please do watch this YouTube video till the end, as it gives 20 words a day to increase your vocabulary. And that's it. Those are the two announcements to make, and let's get into the show today. The first word today is resilient. It's an adjective, and it means resilient means strong, tough, volatile, and buoyant. Buoyant is also known as strong, and its opposite words are delicate and weak. And the second word is percolate, which is a verb. It means to pass through. It means yesterday we learned the word as permeate, so it is the synonym of permeate. So percolate means filter or pervade, and percolate opposite is take out. And third word is angst. It's a noun, and it's taken in the negative sense. That is, angst means agony, nervousness, uneasiness, and its opposite words are calmness or happiness. And deterred. Next word is deterred. It's a verb, and it's taken in a negative sense. That is, avert, block, discourage, and dissuade. So blocking something, we can say deterred in its noun form as deterioration, and its opposite words are advance, allow, and encourage. And next word is research. There is no research means resurface or and rise again. And next word tandem. It's a noun, and noun in its noun form it takes company, organization, unit, or bike. Unit or bike. As its meaning, and its opposite words are individual or single. And epidemiology, as you all know, when a word ends with logy, term, it means a study of. Epidemiology is a study of epidemic diseases. Like recently now we have a pandemic disease called COVID-19. A study of it is comes under epidemiology. And endeavor, it takes a form of noun and a verb. Endeavor means to try, attempt, or undertaking. Undertaking is a part of noun. Try and attempt comes under verb. And opposite words are inactivity, laziness. Tenet, it's a noun, and it means belief, principle, or faith. And its opposite words are disbelief or skepticism. Recurred is a verb, and it means persist or reappeared. And opposite words are halt and stop are the opposite words for recurred. Next word paradigm. Paradigm is a noun, and it means a model, example, or prototype. And next word is peril. It takes a noun form and a verb form, and it means a danger, risk, threaten, hazard. Threaten comes for verb purpose. Danger, risk, hazard comes for a noun purpose, and its opposite words are protection, safety, protect, safeness. This all comes as opposite words, antonyms we can say, not opposite words, antonyms. Next, succumbed. Succumbed, it's a verb and it means to die, break down or pass away, and its opposite words are defend, fight, overcome. And next word is prudence. It's a noun. It means a caution or carefulness, and opposite word for carefulness is carelessness, and caution is neglect. And coming to the next word, it means it is a valor. Valor is a noun and it means bravery, courage or fearlessness, and opposite of them is coward or fearful. And coming to the next word, it means it is a sagging. Sagging, it's a verb and it means sagging means sink, slip, fall off. For example, we can how sagging is used in sentence like for example, the economic situation in India is sagging due to the pandemic disease COVID-19. Like that we can use this sagging in the sentences, and its opposite antonyms are ascend, increase, rise. Next word, attrition. Attrition is a noun and it means to regret, erosion, remorse. That means feeling sad. Attrition can be used for the words belong to feeling sad, and its opposite is happiness. Happiness. And next one, blip. Blip is a noun. It's a small glitch or it's a small light in electronic devices like stabilizer and something. Stabilizers. Blips are used in stabilizers or control panels. And next word is benign. Benign is adjective. It means friendly, benevolent or mild, and its opposite words are harsh, rough, unfriendly, and we can say benign and malign are antonyms to each other. Next word is as we discussed for the above word, the next word is malign. Malign means insult, misrepresent and disparage, and antonyms for that is honor, praise, help or benign also you can take as antonym. And last but not least, the phrase today is to a or to the T or to a T. It means perfectly. Thank you all for watching till the end. I hope you all watched the video till the end, and my only request for you is to share this channel, to share this video at least to maximum members, and thanks for watching till the end. Thank you.